Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. I just have a little bit of a haul for you today. A little bit of a haul for you today. And it's a nice size haul. I actually thought I'd show you some of the little things I've been buying. I have 2 bags to reveal. And then just I thought I'd show a couple outfitty things I got or clothes I got. Every once in a while, some of the other people I watch do that, and I really enjoy it. So I thought I would do that as well. It starts with this little, you can see it, spread kindness sweatshirt I got. Another YouTuber I watch actually had it, and it was from Target, and I usually do Target orders. We have local stores that used to be like a Target. They were like a Target or a Kmart. They were called Shopko. And that's up in it was like Minnesota, Wisconsin area. And maybe Iowa had Shopkos. They have since went out of business, but they were in business for a really long time. So whenever I need stuff for the house, like, paper toweling, toilet paper, Kleenex, deodorant, toothpaste, things like that, we've always said, we needed things from Shopko. So even though Shopko isn't open anymore, I'll always ask, the boys, do you need anything from Shopko? And so anyways, now instead of using Shopko, we use Target, but I still say, do you need anything from Shopko? But when I saw a different YouTuber had this sweatshirt on, I thought it was so cute, and she said it was from Target. It was on sale at Target, and I thought it was perfect for fall. It is like super, super soft. It's a cropped, well, I think showed you here. It's got like a rolled up hem. It's kind of cropped. And mine's a 2X. It's a boxy, roomy 2X. And yeah, I just got it. I thought it was perfect for fall. So then I picked up a couple other things. These are from H and M. I really like their items, and so I just thought I'd show you what I got for winter mainly. I got this cardigan here, just a plaid checked. That's not plaid. What is that called? Not tartan. Anyways, it's this, and I thought it was really cute. It's an open up cardigan from H&M. Oh, and I should tell you while I'm sitting here, my bag of the day here, close it up, is my Coach Studio bag. Review to come shortly on that one. Another thing I got is, I really love big oversized sweatshirts, as you can tell. I got this. This is a hooded sweatshirt, and it's Bambi and flower power, which is funny because it doesn't have flower on it. It's got thumper, but I just thought this sweatshirt was cute with the brown. And I must have had a thing about brown because I also got this just because it was on sale for $12. This Portland sweatshirt. It's a brown sweatshirt. This one's not hooded. And I thought this square necked, just kind of a ribbed lavender shirt was pretty. And then lastly, this was in the men's section, but I had to get it. I love this, and I don't see that many places putting stuff out on it, and I got a tie-dyed pink and white. Can you see it? Pink Panther hooded sweatshirt. I know, this is just huge, and it's awesome, and you don't see Pink Panther that often, so I had to pick it up. Oh, and lastly, I got one more thing from Torrid. I could not resist this. Oh my gosh. I got, can you see it, like a Scooby-Doo, where are you sweatshirt. They had that at Torrid, so I picked it up. I thought it was awesome. All right, so now to the bags. I have not opened these up yet. I wanted to do a true unbagging for you. Neither of them came in boxes. These were on sale at Saks Fifth Avenue. You've probably seen one of them. I've seen a few people unbox, unopen, unbag, whatever. And then one I haven't seen anybody, at least not in this colorway. So I just thought I'd show you that, and I just thought I'd do a true reveal. It was hilarious. These came in the mail in one big box. They were from Saks Fifth Avenue. I got a great deal on them. Keep checking back to their website. I noticed that they're putting things on sale and then they're changing the sale prices here and there. So I think I got a really good deal on both of these. In fact, I got both bags for the price of what one would have been previously. So I was happy with that. But the day that they came, it was pouring. And I wasn't home. And my husband or my son brought the package in. It was all wet. You know, I got delivered. They brought it in. And, you know, nice wet box. What did they do? Did they open it to make sure nothing inside got wet, or if it was wet, you know, dry it off? No. They put some towels down on the table and put the wet box on the table and left it sit there till I got home. Not quite sure why they didn't open it or contact me and say, hey, should we open this and make sure this is all right? No, they left it there. Thankfully, I got there and everything was wrapped up nicely, which I was really, really happy about. No boxes, but I'm fine with that. I certainly don't need a Coach box. So I'm going to open this up here because I just wanted to give a true first impression of what it looked like. And I'm excited to open these. So this first one, you can probably almost see what it is right from here. I'm not going to show you guys. This is something that I almost bought this color from Marc Jacobs, and I didn't. And I always kind of was kicking myself a little bit about it. And then I've seen a few people, like I said, open these or unbag them. And oh yes, I had to have it. It is the Coach. The tote, what is this called? The field tote. So here it is. It's got beautiful pebbled leather. I mean, just look at that. I love it. And then this is like embossed on it. And it almost looks like it's in a different color. It must be. But that's really nice. It has feet. And so to look at it here, it's there. 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 I'm going to see if the original price tag. $350. That is not what I paid for it. This one I think I paid $150. So I was happy with that. Okay, you've probably, again, seen these. It's got the burgundy and pink strap, which I think is pretty cool. It's got the, words are hard, handles here. And I'm just going to pull out some of the stuffing. I'm more interested in probably showing the other one a little bit more because, like I said, I haven't seen any of that be unboxed before. Okay, and I love this. I absolutely love this. Can you see here? I'm trying to see if I could show it. It's suede, like the pink suede on the inside. I don't know what it is about a leather bag within the suede interior, but just makes my little heart pitter pat. I just absolutely love it. This is really nice. I'm just slipping off some of the stuff here. It comes with a snap closure. Let's see if it snaps shut and stays shut. Heard that was an issue. Probably a bigger issue getting it shut. Not the most coordinated lady. Oh, okay, yeah, nice. Nice, so it just kind of looks like that. Just trying to take one. Oh, it came undone. Came undone and there's nothing in here. Not sure how much I'm going to like that. But frankly, at this price, I'm probably going to like it because if I would have bought the Marc Jacobs tote, which is would definitely be a little bit bigger than this, but actually is, what would that be? $300 more. For $300, I'll let it hang open a little bit more often. Let me try to close it again once. See how easy it snaps open. So it's like that. Yeah, it's pretty. It snaps open pretty easy. Is that a deal breaker for me? No, not at all. The majority of the time my bags are open anyway, so I'm definitely okay with that. And I put my stuff in SLGs and then in here, so by the time somebody was able to get in there and if they were trying to pull it out of there or something on me, I'd know. So yeah, I absolutely adore this. This color is beautiful. Is it the petunia? Is that what it's called? Yes, petunia. So just the tote with the strap. I might switch this out and use some other straps on it sometimes because you can clip, just clip it on here. So yeah, this is my first bag. I absolutely love it. I'm super, super pleased. And so this next one, like I said, I've seen other people unbag some of these, but never this color. And I don't see a lot of them that get unbagged. And I have been intrigued about this bag for a long time. And then the problem came that, like I said, I liked it. Very, very intrigued by it. But then, you can't see it yet, but you'll be able to see in a minute. But I was very intrigued by it, but kept deciding against it because the colors that I saw it in, just, I could talk myself out of. Let's just put it that way. And then, you won't be surprised when you see this. Can you guess what color it maybe came in that made me just go a little bit crazy? Oh, you probably saw it just now, but me, I'm getting ready. Yeah. Oh my gosh, and the old orange. This is the soft tabby. I saw this in the orange and I wanted it in the worst way. Do I need another orange bag? I have the orange canvas Marc Jacobs tote. I have the orange, oh my gosh, Celine nano tote. And I was like, how many orange bags do I need? I have a Coach bag that's a little bit darker than this. I have the Coach tabby that's a hair darker than this. Do I really need another orange? No, I don't. The original price on this was $3.95. Nope, don't need it, don't need it. It's $131, I need it. Absolutely has to come to my house. Gets in my bag. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. It's a soft leather. Put it up there so you can see there's very little like texture to it. It's not completely soft. Here's the bag from the side. Now it comes with an adjustable leather strap and a shoulder strap. And here's another side. There's the bottom. There is a zipper back pocket here. It's pretty significant. I don't know if it would hold a phone, but still could put some credit cards or something back there if you wanted. Zippers, a tad fussy. Again, deal breaker for me? No, not on the back zipper. And then it's got a magnetic closure here. I mean, it is. Look at that baby. That she wants to close. There's that. I've never seen one of these in person before, so I almost bought the one that was the same color as my camera bag that I have, that pistachio and pink. I almost bought one that was that color, and I didn't pull the trigger because I just did not want to spend. Well, I think that one was $500. I think it was extra because it was like a seasonal color or something like that. Or was it still $400? I could be wrong. But I just couldn't see spending that much money for a Coach bag. When I figured that, because you know me, I like looking at the older luxury bags on Fashion File. And not that Coach isn't luxury, but like the Louis Vuittons, the Fendis and things like that. A lot of times for about $500, you can find some nice bags. And so I just didn't want to put out $400 for a leather Coach bag that wasn't all leather, because when you open this up, the outside is leather. The interior here's like a microfiber, I would say, and that goes down to the bottom, but then the rest of it is like a canvas, like cream colored canvas. It's a big open compartment with one zipper compartment here. So I just did not want to spend I just couldn't spend the $400 on it. And then the more I kept, like I saw Caleb Snell had the denim one. That was gorgeous. But But again, I didn't want to spend that much on it. Winnie and her little ones, those are awesome. And especially the bluish colored one that they came out with, the small miniature tabby. If that had been bigger, I might have been tempted. But the one that just took my breath away, even more than the pistachio one, was this orange. I have an orange car. I don't know what it is about orange. Green's been my favorite color my entire life, but something happened to me and I have loved orange. And but I'm like, no, you are not buying another orange bag for $400. But like I said, Saks. So I knew Saks had been playing with the price of the totes, and I was looking at the light blue one and the pink one, and I really just knew I had to have the pink one. So on a whim, I decided to check the soft tabbies on Saks, and they were $130. In fact, if I had a community tag, or could do a community post, which pretty soon, when I have 500 subscribers, I'll be able to do that, I would have been posting that all over the place, because this bag was $130, $131 maybe. Check the website if you like this. This is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I am plumb. I was gonna say Tucker. That would not make sense, would it? Happy about it. So yeah, so those were my 2 bags for today. I am actually very pleased with both of them. But the orange one, something about orange. I just absolutely adore this. In fact, if Fendi came out with a baguette like this in this color, I'd probably be in big trouble. Although there is one of those in my future. I know it. I just don't know when. So that's what I have for you today. Just thought I'd show you a couple things I purchased, kind of like, what I bought in October. And just want to thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you back here. Also, thank you so much for those of you who are subscribed. I really appreciate it. I love getting to interact with you in the comments. And I put out videos on, think about it, Wednesdays and Saturdays, typically. Few in between. I was going to say that I went to just a spectacular light show. It's hard to explain what it was. It's like lights with art pieces. They're made out of wood, but they're just incredible. If you look up, it's in Oshkosh, the Paint Art Center in Wisconsin. They have this display, and we got tickets, and we went about a week ago. And it's outdoor, but it has lights shining all over. In fact, there's spotlights shining up into the sky, and I think I'm going to put some of the video I took from that online, just because I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. It won't be on a Wednesday or a Saturday. It won't be like one of my videos, so to speak, but obviously I'm going to make it public because I think people should see it and get tickets yet if they want to go. I believe it runs until, I think, Halloween, because my son bought tickets again so that we could go another time at the end of the month, because it's just spectacular. I can't even explain what it's like, and I would pay extra. You can pay a little bit extra and go inside the actual art center itself too, and it's worth it. It's worth it to pay the extra to go to the inside. But it's just incredible. So I want to put some of my videos out there. I actually got some videos of it, some really unique ones a couple times. So I just thought I'd put that out there. And so I was going to tell you that it's going to be out there. So if you see it and wonder, what is that? That's all it is. It was just something I thought I'd share, and just kind of like keeping it out there. I was going to make it private, but I've talked to a couple people about it. And hi, Dawn. And Dawn Loves Couture had said too, she thought it would be really neat to see it. So I said I would put it out there. So that might be showing up. Again, it will be public, but it's not like a standard video, but I don't mind if you watch. I think that's about it. Thank you so much for being here. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.